Ever wondered how to turn your videos into a comic book or cartoon style in Premiere Pro? Let's break it down. I've already imported my clip into the timeline. First, select the clip, head over to the Effects panel, and search for Find Edges. Just double-click to apply it. Now jump into the Effect controls. Under Find Edges, enable the Invert option. From here, slowly adjust the blend with original value. There's no perfect number, it completely depends on your footage. So increase the value until the image starts to feel stylized, but still readable. At this point, you can already see a hand-drawn painted look coming together. To push this further, go back to the Effects panel and add either checkerboard or grid effect. I'll use grid for more control. Once applied, start tweaking the grid settings. The corner values control how many horizontal and vertical lines you get. The border option lets you control how thick those lines appear. If you want even more control, switch the size from parameters so you can adjust width and height independently. Personally, I find it faster to work with the width slider option. I'll set mine somewhere between 12 and 15, but again, trust your eye here. I'll also slightly increase the border thickness to make the lines pop. If the edges feel too harsh, just soften them using the feather width and height values. Now here's a cool trick. By enabling Invert, you can instantly flip the grid colors. And if you want full creative freedom, you can even change the grid color manually. To control how strong the effect feels, simply lower or increase the opacity. Finally, to blend everything together and get that Spider-Verse vibe, change the blending mode to overlay. Just remember, none of these values are fixed. Every clip is different, and the best results always come from experimenting. Now, quick bonus tip. Instead of applying effects directly to your clip, create a new adjustment layer from the project panel and add all the effects there. Just make sure Find Edges comes before grid in the effect order. And that's it. This is how you create a comic book Spider-Verse style effect in Premiere Pro. Let me know in the comments what effect you want to see next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.